Come on.
Now what is that present that has a little rip?
But Kieran, here's
So
all
you're
your
gonna show
stuff.
us
Hey,
Santa?
here's your stuff. Look at.
Yay! What is this? This is Mario Kart! Oh, I always wanted this. And this? What is this?
Well, that's more for the family, Kieran.
Guess he wants us all to learn Spanish.
But look at Haven has her own vanity. Haven, look at this is where you get to put on all of your makeup. Look at, you could sit here and look at yourself in the mirror. Look at, and we'll tilt it down a little for you.
And a little tip box.
And your box for all your jewelry. Look, you can put your stuff in there.
I'm playing Mario Kart. I'll try it out.
Do you see what's in your stocking?
I don't know. I'm very.
Did you see your sparkly fingernail polish?
I get candy.
Is that a nerd rope?
Yeah. How can I fit everything in the box?
Well, this is, you can put your makeup in here. And all your comb. Like this. And then you can put all your jewelry in here.
What is this?
What else do you have in there?
I can't get it.
You need help?
Anything else?
Yeah.
Okay, here I'll hand stuff to you. Look at that.
Oh my, look how many watercolors that are. Oh, sorry.
And, ooh, look at that. Fun dips.
Some kit.
Look at all these.
Candy.
Kieran, what do you think?
Yeah, but look at also, oh, you have all these chapsticks.
Wow, did you get everything out already?